In this video, I will show you how to use Google Lens to find similar images of people or any object on the internet, so let's get started with the video. First, in Chrome browser, we need to click this Google Lens icon in Google search page. Next, in this screen, we have the option of uploading an image here. Or if we have the image URL link, we can add it here and search the internet. I will go with this first option, uploading an image. I will upload an image of the actors, Leonardo DiCaprio and Jennifer Lawrence. And immediately, Google starts to search for similar images, based on the image we uploaded. And done, you can see all the images that are identical, or near similar, are shown. If we want to select a particular subject, we can move the lens pointers and do a specific search of the image. You can see here how we can select only Jennifer Lawrence and search images. Now, let's zoom in on the products. I like what Jennifer Lawrence is wearing. Let's search for her earrings. And here we have all the earrings that are identical to what she is wearing. From across the web, we can visit the site and buy them if we want. Now, we can search another image with a product in it. Now, take this image for instance, we can upload this image and search for the sky blue coffee mug. And done, we have so many choices that are identical or near identical. We can select from various sites across the internet in the search results page. I hope you liked this video. With this we have come to the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.